Good morning, kids!
Welcome to Kids Station.
Are you ready to read your Bibles?
And 3, 2, 1.
Children, obey your parents in the Lord, for this is right. Ephesians 6:1.
Behold, what manner of love the Father has given unto us, that we should be called the sons of God. 1 John 3:1.
When friends betray us, when darkness seems to win, we know that pain will mind is sought. Then this is not our home. It's not our home. What if your blessings comes through raindrops? What if your healing comes through tears? What if a thousand sleepless nights? What if takes to know your need? What if a greater disappointment of the aching of this life is the revealing of the greater thirst this world can satisfy? What if trust all this life, the rain that storms the hardest night, are your mercies in disguise?
Panimbaya sa Kabuntagon is made possible by Mr. and Mrs. Ed and Cora Wahiman.